Not such hard work, is it? Being a kid and all that.
I'm going to sleep next to that.
I always figured it was you. I could hear from my bedroom.
I don't think it is. Wait, he's not snoring, he's dreaming he's being a motorbike.